BabyTales.
Hello, magical artists and dragon enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of fantasy as we draw and color the most adorable baby dragon. Let's start by sketching our delightful baby dragon. Imagine a small, friendly creature with round eyes, tiny wings, and a charming smile. This little dragon is yours to create, so let your imagination run wild. Now, let's add some magical details to our baby dragon. Draw scales, horns, or even a playful tail. Make your dragon unique, and don't forget to give it a personality through its expressions. Time to infuse color into our magical creation. Choose vibrant hues for the dragon's scales, wings, and any accessories you'd like to add. This is your dragon, so let the colors reflect its personality. Remember, there are no rules in the realm of fantasy. Feel free to add a background, a whimsical setting, or even a friend for your baby dragon. Let your creativity soar like the dragons in the sky. And there you have it, a cute baby dragon ready to spread its wings. We've turned our paper into a canvas of fantasy and wonder. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun and creative art tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your artistic adventures be as magical as the creatures you create.